How to make money with Temu affiliate program. Hello guys, so welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be discussing on how you will be able to start earning money through their affiliate program, which you can see right now on our screen. Now right now, there is a default 100 peso on your cash or your wallet in Temu. And the more people you invite, specifically new app users, you will be able to get a lot of benefits, such as you will be able to earn 30% commission on all orders placed within 30 days. That is a very big commission, and that is a really good way to make money. And you have an extra over here, an additional reward, which then will give you a 200 peso reward for every referral who downloads and orders. Now, this won't work if they only downloaded it. They must order something. So that's already a lot of bonus for you as the affiliate who is going to refer this new users. So imagine if you were able to refer multiple users, you have a high chance of getting a lot of commission back, and you will be able to receive a lot extra. Now, of course, the referrals will also gain benefits such as 5,000 coupon bundle or 30% off over here, which is really great. That's going to suggest you different ways on how to share this, which is also really great tips. You can submit your link to coupon sites, which will give you a high chance of getting more referrals. You can also post it in your bio, post it on a link on your video or your TikTok post or any post in your social media that you want to relate to Temu, or you could even ask your friends to use it as well. So if you have multiple friends, you can make them download this and buy a product, and you will be able to get some money as well. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.